everyone?
Good morning, sir.
Okay, anyone who can do the prayer for faith? Yes, Miss Rabara.
Para na Ama na Anak ng Espiritu Santo. Panginoon, maraming salamat po dahil ngayon po kami pinagkita kita at nakarating po na ligtas sa aming guro na narito ngayon. Gabayan niyo po kami ngayon sa aming pagsusulit, lalo na po ang guro na narito ngayon. Kayo na po ang bahala sa aming mga magulang na natira sa aming bahay. Pinalaman po kami sinasamot din ang namin sa iyong mataas na pangalan sa Jesus. Amen.
Thank you so much, Miss Rabara, for that prayer. So now, before taking your seat, and you take the pieces of paper under your chairs and your tables, and if you are done, take your seat. Okay? So now, let's check first your attendance. Say present and raise your right hand if you are here. Mr. Yulia,
Present.
Santiago,
Present.
Mary Day, Rabara,
Present.
Rabi, okay, no absences for today, okay? So, now we're going to review or to recap what we talked about last time. Anyone who wants to recap? Yes, Mr. Rabi.
Pagkakala ko kasi sa mga cells are the smallest unit of life and the building blocks of all organisms have animal cell and plant cell.
Yes, cell is the building blocks, okay, for all organisms. So, before we proceed to our proper discussion, I prepared a short energizer to energize each every one of you, which is related to our topic, which is the plant and animal cells. Okay? The instruction is guess the picture. You need to add the words or picture to create a specific word. Okay? Just kind of raise your right hand if you want to answer. And I have here a reward if you get the correct answer. Okay? Let's start our energizer. Anyone? For the number one, yes, Mr. Santiago.
Cell membrane.
Yes, correct. It's cell memory. Bigyan natin si Mr. Santiago ng Jollibee Club. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, Jollibee. So, here's your ball, friend, Mr. Santiago. Thank you so much. Next one. Yes, Mr. Julia.
Cell wall.
Cell wall, correct. Bigyan natin siya ng Barangay Club. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here's your ball, then, Mr. Julia. Next. Yes, Mr. Rabara. Vacuum. Yes, correct. Bigyan natin siya ng Rain Club. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Thank you so much. Here's your reward. The last one, anyone? Yes, Mr. Pellegrin.
Animal cell.
Animal cell. Yes, that is correct. Bigyan natin siya ng 5 taas, walang gitna. Congratulations, this is your reward. So, I forgot something about what I said earlier na yung recap ay makatanggap din ng reward. This is your reward, Mr. B. Congratulations. So now, for our new topic, we have different parts of plant and animal cells. As you see on the board, there's a lot of parts of plant and animal cells. So I prepared you a short activity, a diagram. You all need to do is to segregate the words that you can see on our visual aids. And if you see the words are belong to plant and animal cell, put it on the middle, okay? You have only 3 minutes to answer it. Okay, you think that's enough to answer your short activity? Can you pass the paper? Thank you so much. So, I prepared 2 questions for each and every one of you, okay? The first question is, do you think what is the function of cell wall in plant cell? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Santiago.
The function of cell wall in plant cell are the protection barrier against physical damage, also for support and shield.
Yes, that is correct. It's a protection barrier for the pathogens, like that, okay? So the second one is, do you think what is the function of vacuole in both plant and animal cells? Yes, Mr. Lilia.
The function of living plant cell is to store water nutrients, but for animal cells, it's for waste management and recycling waste products.
Thank you so much, Mr. Lilia. That is correct. For the plant cell, it is the energy storage, but for the animal cell, it's the waste management. Okay, so thank you so much for your cooperation. So now, we're going to proceed to our proper discussion, which is all about plant and animal cells. But before that, we have the three objectives. Okay, anyone who can be the first objective? Yes, Mr. Lilia.
Away from plants, animals, and plant cells.
The second one? Yes, Mr. Bala.
Related organs and parts of the cell existence of organisms.
And the last one? Yes, Mr. Benedict.
Several parts of the plant and animal cell.
Okay, thank you so much for your cooperation to read our objectives. Now, we have here the activity, okay? So I distribute the activity. You all need to do is to label the parts of plant and animal cells. Just label it, okay? I give you only 5 minutes to label each part, okay? Your timer starts now, class. Okay, last 2 minutes. Okay, that's enough to answer your activity for our labeling. And it has the paper. Okay. Thank you so much. So now, we are going to proceed to our proper discussion. And our topic, sabay-sabay?
Plant and animal cells.
Yes, plant and animal cells. You know, guys, or student, we have a lot of parts for our plant and animal cells. And they have similarities and differences, okay? So now we're going to discuss or elaborate each one by one. The first one is for plant cell. Anyone wants to read the cell wall? Yes, Mr. Bala.
So, plant cell have a cell wall for cellulose as well as the cell membrane, while animal cell do not have a cell wall.
Thank you so much. Cell wall. As you see on our picture, this is the cell wall. Okay? This is the protection barrier. Protection for the pathogens, for the insects, okay? For maintaining a healthy. Okay, next one. The centrioles. Yes, Mr. Ravi.
Animal cells contain these cylindrical structures that organize the assembly of micromolecules tubules during cell division. Plant cells do not have.
Okay, centrioles. Animal cells contain these cylindrical structures that organize the assembly of microtubules during cell division. Ito rin yung serves as basal bodies for cilia and flagella. But, centrioles are only present You can only find it on the animal cells. It is not have on plant. Okay? The second one. Yes, Mr. Lilia. The nucleus. The control center of the cell. And we said the control, the nucleus. Okay? This one. This pink one. Okay? The vacuole, anyone? Yes, Mr. Santiago.
Plants have a right central vacuole where the animal is one.
Okay, the vacuole. Plants have a large central vacuole. Ang plant daw ay merong big vacuole. But, for the animal, this small vacuole. Okay? The next one, chloroplast. Yes, Mr. Pettigrew.
Found only in plant cells.
So from the word itself, found only in plant cell. In plant cell lang siya makikita. Okay? The chloroplast. This one. Yung parang may mga spaghetti. Parang tulot-tulot. Okay? Next, for the animal cell, the lysosomes. Yes, Mr. Villian.
Animal cell consists where plant cell really protect the system as the plant
Vacuole. Okay. Animal cells possess lysosomes while plant cells really contain lysosomes as the plant vacuole. And also, it is a breakdown of proteins. Siya breakdown of proteins for the animal cells. Okay? Next one is the cytoplasm. Yes, Mr. Ravi.
Cytoplasm. Genetic fluid contained in the cell that forms organelles.
Or, in short, it is for the cell shape, the lysosomes. Okay? This one. And the cytoplasm rather. The cytoplasm, this one, this all green. Meaning, siya yung nagsusupport ng cell shape. This all organisms. Okay? This all cell. This animal cell. The cytoplasms are the siya yung protect for our animal cells. And the last, mitochondria. Yes, Mr. Pellegrin.
Powerhouse of the cell, breaking down one molecule.
Powerhouse of the cell means the energy. Pinag-provide ng energy sa mitochondria for our animal cells. Okay? Next one. The smooth ER. The smooth ER or smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Anyone? Yes, Mr. Santiago.
No ribosome.
No ribosomes. Smooth ER, ito naman nag-produce ng lipids, as ng cholesterol for our animal cells. Okay? Understand, class?
Yes.
Okay, next, for the rough endoplasmic reticulum. Anyone? Yes, Ms. Rabara.
Ribosomes attached.
Ribosomes attached. Dito naman nangyayari yung protein synthesis. Okay? Sa smooth, no ribosomes. For the rough endoplasmic reticulum, ribosome attached. Meaning, meron. Okay? Present. But sa smooth, absent. Okay? For the last part of the animal cell, which is the cell membrane, yes, Mr. Ravi.
Cell membrane allows nutrients to go into the cells and release outside of the cell.
Allows nutrients into the cell and waste outside of the cell. Meaning, cell membrane controls the nutrients, but also it controls the waste outside of the cell. Okay? So, that is the part of our parts and action for our plant and animal cells. For the consideration and realization, here is Ma'am Catherine de Guzman.
Good morning, class.
Good morning, ma'am.
So, thank you, Mr. Carabel. Ito, Mr. Carabel discusses the difference of the plant cells and the animal cells and their functions. So, who can share their ideas about the importance of the part of the cells to existence to organisms? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Ravi.
Without changing on the existence of organisms.
Okay, very good. Let's give a clap for Mr. Ravi. You done?
Yes.
What's your favorite color? So, for your assignment, I provided here a worksheet. Worksheet about plant cells and animal cells. So, you're going to color the specific parts of the plant cells and the animal cells. Do you understood that?
Yes.
So, before let's end our discussion, so I hope you learned a lot class. So this is the end of our class for today. So please stand. So I hope you all learned, and I hope your learnings will apply it in your real life. So do you understand that?
Yes.
So please lead the prayer, Miss Denise.
Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa matagumpayan namin sasanay sa araling ito. Naway gabayan niyo po kami lahat sa aming pag-uwi. Sa darating pagsusukan po, sinalaman po kami sinasabi pinadalagi sa iyong mga at mga sa Jesus. Amen.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye.